Hello and welcome to Stevens Group. I'm Ken Johnston and wanted to give you some exciting updates today. 47 years ago our business started in Grandpa's garage, where Dad and Grandpa started with a lathe, a welder, some hand tools, plenty of hard work and a lot of determination. Today I wanted to introduce you to our new garage, or our new building which we've got. It's quite an exciting journey we've been through. First thing about the building I should start with, I suppose, is the fact that it is purpose built. We've designed it to hopefully last us for the next 10 to 15 years. To give you some idea of the size of what we've built here, we're on about 2.7 acres with this building, and we've got approximately 7,000 square metres under cover. So the other thing that we wanted to achieve is we knew we needed to get more people into the senior management of the company to help us achieve our growth targets. As you currently know us, we have one registered company, which is Stevens Products Limited. However, we've been trading as three separate entities, which you know as being Stevens Outdoor Power Equipment, Commercial Outdoor Machinery and Stevens Manufacturing. So the change we're making is as follows. We'll still have one registered company which remains as Stevens Products Limited. However, all three trading entities are now going to become Stevens Group. We are very, very fortunate that we're in a position where we have got succession happening. There's exciting times ahead. The business has got massive growth potential. I don't know if I've ever seen it in a stage before where we've seen so much growth potential. One exciting update, each and every single agency we represent, we see huge growth potential here in New Zealand. So exciting times for the business. And all I can say is thank you once again from the team at Stevens Group. We really appreciate you taking this journey with us. We're here to back you and we look forward to growing our business with you. Thank you very much, appreciate it.